What's up, friends and family? We all know that you guys love system builds. So with that said, we bring you another $1,200 system build. This time it even includes Windows 8.1. Before we do anything else though, let's show you the scores. But you guys are gonna definitely wanna stay to the end of this video because we have an awesome surprise. So right now, let's rock out to the benchmark song and let's check out those scores. First off, we have Tomb Raider at its ultimate settings at 57.3 average frames per second. Next up, we see Metro Last Light in its medium settings at 70.2 average frames per second. For you Far Cry fans, we have Far Cry 4 at its high setting at 54.1 average frames per second. You like to fight, bro? Battlefield 4 at Ultra at 59 average frames per second. Get your game on. Crysis, you say? What Crysis? I say Crysis 3 at its medium settings at 60.9 average frames per second. And for those people out there who like the Geekbench, we have the Geekbench 32-bit test. Single core score at 3,447, multi-core score at 11,034. So you guys see, this bad boy, it runs games great and it's pretty cool. So now that you've seen how well it runs, let's actually talk about what's inside and what makes this system. So for the case, we went with the NZXT S340. This is a pretty cool case a lot of people like, and it's actually pretty easy to do a build in. The motherboard is the ASUS Z97A LGA 1150 motherboard. As far as the CPU, we went with the Intel i5 4690K 3.5 GHz quad-core CPU. Cooling all this off is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo CPU cooler. For storage and gaming, we actually have two different drives. For the boot drive, we have the Crucial MX200 250GB SSD. And for our storage drive, we have a Western Digital 1TB blue drive with plenty of room to put those games on. As far as memory goes, we've got 8GB of the Corsair Vengeance 1866MHz DDR3. For the video card, an ASUS GTX 970 Turbo Overclocked Edition video card. Now you know that's a damn fine card. Powering it all is a Corsair CX750 750W 80+ bronze power supply. And like I said before, this system comes with Windows 8.1. Now if you don't want that, well, you can consider the system basically $100 less. It's an $1,100 system, but for those people who like it, hey, we've included it in there. All right, so like I said in the very beginning of the video, this system is around $1,200. Now, if you guys want to see us doing this monthly, and we really haven't even got to the totally great news yet, we want you to go totally crazy, monstrous, and destroy that like button. We want this thing to blow up bigger than anything else because obviously, well, hey, this stuff takes time, it takes money, and we want you guys to participate. So with that said though, here's the really big stuff. Check it out. We're giving it away. We teamed up with Unroll.me to give this beast of a PC away. If you're drowning in junk mail, Unroll.me lets you see a list of your subscription emails and then unsubscribe from them instantly from whatever you don't want. To enter, simply sign up with the link below and leave a comment below telling us what is your favorite thing about this build. Now, like usual, for some reason you guys missed anything in this video, all the links will be down there below. So you guys go down there, click this, say show me more button, everything will be down there. All the parts of the system, everything you need to do to enter the contest in case for some reason you just forgot about it. So that's pretty much it. I'm Elric, you've been watching Tech Tomorrow. $1,200 system build, and what's better, a $1,200 system giveaway for who? You. So that's it. Peace out. If you don't enter, you can't win. See you guys back here in Tech tomorrow, and if you're not subbed, whatever.